Hey guys, Kalam here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete a file permanently from Adobe Express. So first things you need to do on login here, then go to your stuff. You can see this is the option your stuff. Just click on here. Then you can see here is a lots of design I opened here. So I want to remove someone. Just select this one from here, then click on delete. Again try to delete others, just click on delete. Then deleted item can be restored for 30 day. Adobe Cloud stores after 30 day. So if you want to restore this design after 30 day, this is available and it's from Adobe Cloud storage. So just click on delete. So this is a method you can delete project or file permanently from Adobe Express. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.